Hi, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the Rental Karma discount codes screen. If you have the discount codes permission on your user ID, which Lynn, you should by now, click the discount codes button, which is here on the main search screen. I'll bring up the discount codes page, and as you'll see, we have a list of all the different discount codes that we've created already, and there's a lot of them. So to look at any one, or let's say you want to edit one, we'll pick this Savvy TB21 one. So you click on this row in the grid and you'll see we have the code and then a description. The max signups, and as you can kind of guess, this means how many people can use this code before it stops working. And then there's this little button here that'll actually calculate how many people have signed up with it. Usually it should, automatically do it, but in case you want to recalculate it, you can. One thing that comes to mind is this checkbox down here, which means if you sign up with a spouse, whether that counts as one sign up or two. So that's something to keep in mind. So these boxes here let you set the price that this discount code will enable. So this is just 25 for the basic sign up, 50 for them and a spouse, 85 for a single person with their history added on, and 110 for the spouse. Again, kind of makes sense. Here, this is the MU that they're going to select. So you pick what we have or pick what you want from this list. Let me know if you need another one. If there's a different price you want to do, there's a little bit of work I have to do at Stripe to make that happen. But that's what these are. The bit with the 30 days is something else that it will be coming along soon. The sign-up form actually has the intelligence on it so that if you do a split pay, it'll back this up to 60 days. If you do a split pay and you live in Colorado, since we have to push the entire process for Colorado back 1 month, it'll do that to 90 days. So we've got all those things in there. A feature that's coming to MK soon will be a check for this to make sure that we have a plan at Stripe that's, for the instance, $13.95 a month starting in 60 days and another one starting in 90 days so that we can make all that work. So anyway, you'll be getting a little flag here later. So if let's say the $13.95 starting in 90 days doesn't exist, it'll let you know and make you do something about that. So, okay. Finally, start date and end dates. These are pretty much self-explanatory, but if somebody signs up before April 27th, the code will fail. Also, if they sign up after May 27th of 2023, it will fail. You can, of course, change these dates to whatever you want. Today sets it to today, obviously, but you can also click in here and change a date. And then finally, active. This checkbox just lets you turn it off right now if you want. So you can either turn it on or off. This makes sense. Anyway, if you make any change, the save button will be enabled. So you just click save and it'll change it. And finally, I'm not going to delete it because these are live, but you could, let's say, want to delete this one. Just click this one and hit delete, and it'll confirm that you want to delete it, and then it's gone. And then finally, you click new, and it'll create a new one that's blank for all these, and you fill all this stuff out. So that's all there is to it.